Welcome to the 161K presentation. The 161K SP is a compact, countertop, self-pasteurizing, and single-phase milkshake machine, allowing you to add milkshake production to almost any location, even when there is limited counter space available. The rear chimney air cooling system allows the 161K SP to be placed beside other equipment and even right up against the back counter. The 161K SP is just 40 centimeters wide. The Hardotronic control system allows users to choose and set the desired consistency of their milkshake, such as classic milkshakes or creamy modern milkshakes with more pronounced ice crystals. The display's user-friendly interface makes it easy for managers to choose the milkshake style, machine settings, and even cleaning times. The 161K SP is gravity-fed with an 18-liter tank capacity. The tank agitator prevents stratification during storage and improves heat exchange during pasteurization. The automatic self-pasteurization system allows you to choose when to wash the machine, up to a maximum interval of 42 days. As a further guarantee of hygienic safety, if the operator does not perform the complete cleaning at the end of the preset number of days, the machine goes into automatic block. The 7-liter cylinder, which is much larger than a typical soft serve machine, is designed to accommodate the larger portions required by milkshakes. Furthermore, it also optimizes the refrigeration process, speeding up milkshake production and eliminating energy waste. For maximum performance and personalization, the 161K SP has a high-efficiency helical beater. The metal body and interchangeable plastic flap allow the operator to adjust the ice crystal size for a dedicated shake style. The speed of extraction can be changed with the adjustable delivery flow setting of the door handle. The 161K SP is Teorema ready. Teorema is a remote control and diagnosis system for remote monitoring machine operations. You can monitor operations via computer or mobile device, and Carpigiani technicians are automatically alerted about any potential issues the machine is having. In 1 hour, the 161K SP can produce over 120 large 16-ounce or 400 milliliter milkshakes. To help make infinite combinations of milkshakes, the 161K SP mixer has an optional integrated mixer, making it easy to add in toppings and inclusions. The 161K SP milkshake machine is ideal for adding milkshake production to any location. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right equipment for your business. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor, as well as more info at carpigiani.com.